Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix you need permission to perform this action System32 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error while copying any file to your Windows System32 file, to your Windows System32 folder, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, normally when you copy or paste any file in your Windows System32 folder, you will see the error you need permission to perform this action. So what you have to do, you have to restart your PC. When your PC starts, then you have to press the F8 key continuously. You have to press number of times. After that you will see one screen. In that you will find one safe mode option. You have to select that safe mode. After selecting that safe mode, you will enter the Windows safe mode option. Then you will see this type of normally screen. In that you have to go to this C drive, your Windows folder. In this you will find your System32 folder. You have to open and you have to copy paste whatever you want in this. After completion of this, you have to restart it again and your PC will be boot in normal mode. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix you need permission to perform this action System32 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.